Yeah, there we go. Present Perfect, Unit 8. The plan is to learn how to make questions and how to give short answers. Let's go ahead. So the questions. Now, the structure of the question is that have and has must be first. And then you put the subject, maybe it's a name, maybe it's I, we, you, they, he, she, it. And then maybe you can have a time expression, which is ever. Sometimes in the question, it's very popular to have ever in the question in present perfect tense. And the past participle after. And maybe there will be some other object and all the other time expressions, so period of time maybe, you can put afterwards. Here, have you examples? Have you watched this film? So, yes, we have, short answer. No, we haven't. So, have, you is the subject, watched is the past participle. And this film, like I said, is the object. Number 2, it's a question with ever. It's very popular to ask questions with ever. Now, let me translate ever for you in Russian. Now, very, very often, we ask questions with in present perfect with this adverb, ever. Now, has she ever been to New York? And the short answer, yes, she has. No, she hasn't. So if you have ever, you will put it right after the subject, as we said, subject plus ever, and then the past participle. No, she hasn't. And have we studied the present perfect tense? Yes, we have. We just did. And no, we haven't is the negative, short answer. Yeah, just like that, as simple as that. I hope it's clear. And when it comes to, for example, informative questions or information questions, they start with WH. So you will put the WH word at the beginning. For example, where have you watched this film? Or who have you watched this film with? Just like that. Do you understand, and do you have any questions? Yeah, did you understand so far?
Yes. Yeah.
Good.
Yes.
Good. So